In this video, I'm going to show you how you can end calls using your power button. This process should work on any Android phone, and for the demonstration, I'm using Redmi Note 10 to show you the settings. So what you need to do is to go to your Android phone and look for the settings. So go to settings, which is here. Once on settings, choose this option additional settings. And from here, choose the option accessibility. Now we have 4 options up here: general, vision, hearing, and physical. For this case, tap on physical and look for the option power button ends call and then turn it on. And now each time you are on a call, you can end the call by just pressing on the power button. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.